I'm in a 2014 Ford Focus, and today I'm going to show you to fold up and down your seats. So for these rear seats, we're going to find this button here, which we can push, and that'll release the lock here, so we can pull this whole thing forward. So do it to each side. And now this is free to fold. And you can see the headrests are back there, which to put those back in, if you choose, you'll just set it in place and then push this so they can fold down to the heights you want, and then release and it'll lock it in place. When you're finished with these, just make sure your seat belts aren't going to get trapped, so you can pull these seat belts over the top on each side and then push this back, and now it's locked in place. So let's see, this one's now not trapped, whereas I didn't do it to this side. So this seatbelt is now trapped. So to fix that, you just got to pull the whole seat back down and make sure that seatbelt's not trapped before you push this back up. And then for the driver side here, you pull this lever, and then with your other hand, well, this one adjusts like your seat up and down, and then this handle here makes that slide forward. And then if you have this pulled with your other hand, you can just push this back, and then when you release it, it'll lock it in place where you've got it. And then to slide the whole seat forward and back, you lift this bar, and then you can pull the seat forward or back. When you release this, it locks it in place wherever you're at. And then the passenger side is just the same, but I'll walk over and show you. So now from here, it's got that same control again for this backrest. So when it's lifted, it's free to move, and then when it's released and it goes back down, it locks it in place. And then the same process with this bar to slide it back and forth. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.